Clean a stovetop with baking soda and vinegar. Step 1. Remove the grates and set aside. Step 2. Use a damp paper towel to remove any large food particles from the stovetop. Step 3. Make a paste combining vinegar, baking soda, along with a few drops of dish soap. Step 4. Spread paste on the surface of the stovetop. Let the paste sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 5. Use a soapy sponge to scrub the paste off the stovetop. Step 6. Wipe up released food particles, baking soda paste, and soap suds with a damp cloth. Step 7. If there are any remaining food particles or stains, add more baking soda paste, let it sit, and then scrub again. Step 8. Use a clean cloth to dry the surface. That's how you do it.